we'll continue our discussion with Fibonacci numbers. The last session I have told you, okay, initially there are only one pair here. Let me put it with a different color. Initially there is only one pair of rabbits here. Again, again there is only one pair. Okay, they are becoming, these are small rabbits, they are becoming adults. Okay, so this pair is going to reproduce and get you another pair. So these two combine. Okay, this is one pair, adult pair, and their children forms the second pair. So there are two pairs here. Similarly, I have told the logic behind it. Here you can see that there are three pairs over here, and here there are five pairs. The logic is explained in the preceding video. Okay, if you are not clear about this, you can watch that video. This is for code only. So this is 8. Okay, so if you observe closely, there's a pattern here. Okay, which also I have discussed. So initially there are 1 and 1, and if you add these two things, you are getting two pairs. If you add these two things, you are getting 5. So the logic is also explained. Fn is equal to Fn minus 2. If you add these two, you are getting how many pairs are there in the set? In this one, okay, this is Fn minus 1 and this is Fn minus 2. Okay, Fn minus 1. Okay, so similarly, if you want to get here how many pairs are there, preceding two numbers you have to add 1 plus 2. Okay, Fn minus 1 is 2, Fn minus 2 is 1. You add these two things, you are getting here 3. Okay, so in this manner this proceeds. So how we are going to code this? We'll actually assign these two. First of all, we'll take a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. B is equal to 1 over here, and then we are going to add these two things, a plus b. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. Okay, that number you will assign to b. Okay, and this number, the first iteration which is taken as b, will be assigned to a. Okay, now for the third iteration, these preceding numbers, okay, this is Fn minus 1, okay, and this is Fn minus 2. B becomes Fn minus 1 and A becomes Fn minus 2. So 1 and 1 will get added and 2 will come. Okay, so after which, okay, this will be assigned to B and this will be assigned to A. Okay, the value of B in the preceding iteration will be assigned to A, and the value of B plus A, the preceding iteration, will be assigned to B. Okay, in this manner we get a pattern over here. So the same thing we are going to reproduce by coding here. Let me take Jupyter, let me open Jupyter notebook. Okay, opening the Jupyter notebook. Okay, yes. So, okay, so I'm increasing the size of the screen so that have a good look at it. I'm starting a new file over here. Okay, the same thing which we have discussed, the logic, same things I'm going to code over here. Okay, it has opened. So in this cell I am typing define function, okay, rabbit underscore count of n. Okay, I'm assigning a value 0 to a and b with 1 initialized with, and for I in range of, okay, 1 comma n into n into 3 n into 3, because number of years are n. Okay, number of years are, so how many 4 months are there, how many 4 months span are there in 10 years? For every year there will be 3 number of interval or 3 iterations. Okay, so for 10 years there will be 10 into 3. Okay, I have taken plus 1 because Python will consider the last number minus 1 to be the last index. So I have considered plus 1 to include its effect. So this will give you the number of rabbits after 10 years. Okay, so the logic here is a comma b is equal to the value of b in the preceding iteration is assigned to a, and the value of a plus b the preceding iteration is assigned to b. Okay, so I have to return value, return the value we have to return is b, right? Okay, so print the number of rabbits after, okay, n years is n years is comma b. Brilliant. So here I will input n is equal to input of int of input, right? Int of input of enter the number of years. Okay, so I have to call that function rabbit underscore counts of. Brilliant. So if I run this code, then it will show you this one. So I will enter the years. Okay, there is some error. Let us check it. Rabbits underscore count is not defined. Okay, it is rabbits underscore count. Exact function should be called. Here rabbits underscore count is there. I have kept here yes. That is why it is not working. Let me see. Again there is an error. Rabbit underscore count not defined. Why is it not defined? It is rabbits underscore count, right? Rabbits underscore count of n. There should be variable also here. Now it will probably work. So the number of rabbits after 10 years is, you can see it, it is 1 3 4 6 2 6. You want to see the number of rabbits in each iteration, then print of the number of rabbits in I. Okay, first 4 months, like that, no? First I 4 months. So this will return you a number comma b. Every iteration b will be counted. You will see all the way 0 1 2 0 1 1 2 3 5. That pattern will see here. Brilliant. See here, the number of rabbits in first 4 months 1, the number of rabbits in second 4 months 2, the number of rabbits in third 4 months, okay, okay, is 5. This is a pattern. See here, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, all the way up to our number